Mastering the Moonwalk. Glide effortlessly through English phrases. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we've got a fascinating topic to discuss. The phrase, moonwalk. This term has a unique origin and has transcended its initial context to be used in various settings. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what moonwalk means, but also how to use it in a conversation. So, let's dive right in. The term moonwalk originates from a dance move made famous by the legendary pop singer, Michael Jackson. It's a move where the dancer glides backwards while appearing to walk forward, creating a mesmerizing illusion. Michael Jackson first performed the moonwalk during a television special in 1983, and it quickly became one of his signature moves. Since Michael Jackson's iconic performance, the term moonwalk has permeated popular culture. People use it to refer not just to the dance move itself, but also metaphorically. For instance, when someone handles a situation with exceptional grace and skill, especially under pressure, you might hear someone say, "They really moonwalked out of that situation." While it's more common to hear the term moonwalk in discussions about dance or popular culture, you can also use it in everyday English to describe someone moving smoothly or skillfully through a situation. For example, she moonwalked through her final exams, getting straight A's without even looking stressed. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on the term moonwalk. From its origins with Michael Jackson to its use in everyday language, this phrase has truly made a mark. We hope this video helps you understand and feel comfortable using moonwalk in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice, and as always, happy learning!